Happy Monday, everybody. Quick Python video today about looking multiple keys up in a dictionary. So let's say we have a dictionary like this, couple of names and integer strings. Okay, whatever, doesn't matter what's in the values, just a dictionary. So what if we want to see if Bob and Julian are in the dictionary? Well, first way, you can just do multiples. And that's fine. But if it's more than two, it starts in the dictionary as like 100 items, it becomes cumbersome. You can also use the all built-in, right? So we can do, for example, if Bob and Julian are part of a tuple, you can say name in D for name in the items or the names you want to check. So it's all, and reads almost like English, right? Like all the names for name in Bob and Julian is that name in the dictionary, and you wrapped it in all. That's true as well. You can also, lastly, as a third way, use set operations. So you can say you put Bob, Julian in a set, and then on the set you can actually. So let's say we put this as a set. So sets have different set operations, right? So in this case, I want to use issubset. And issubset method of built-in sets instance reports whether another set contains this set. So that's actually pretty useful. So again, this is the set. I can say set is subset of D. And that's also true. If I would say A now has, so again, D is this. And if A that's still true, but if I would change that to Tim2, then it becomes false, right? So you can do multiple in checks. You can do the all built-in function to look for multiple members in a dictionary, or you can use set operations and check if one set is a subset of the other. And notice that we put in a dictionary here, but it's actually dealing with it as a set. So looking at the keys. So there you go, 3 ways to check if multiple members are in dictionary. Very short video. That's all for Monday. Tomorrow we'll be back with more Python. Cheers.